Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into Ruff, an incredibly fast Python linter and formatter written in Rust. It's generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason.
I've heard whispers. What makes it so much faster than the competition? Is it just marketing hype, or is there real substance?
Oh, there's definitely substance. The key is that it's written in Rust. Rust's performance characteristics are significantly better than Python's, leading to a speed boost of 10 to 100 times faster than tools like Flake 8 and Black, according to their benchmarks. That's a massive difference.
Wow, 10 to 100x. That's staggering. So it's a drop-in replacement for those tools? No major learning curve?
Pretty much. They claim drop-in parity with Flake 8, iSort, and Black. It supports PyProject.tom Corel configuration, which is a huge plus for modern Python projects. Plus, it boasts Python 3.13 compatibility, which is pretty forward-thinking.
That's impressive. But what about features? Does it sacrifice functionality for speed?
Not at all. It has built-in caching to avoid reanalyzing unchanged files, which is a smart optimization. It even offers automatic error correction, fix support for things like removing unused imports, and it packs over 800 built-in rules, many from popular Flake 8 plugins like Flake 8 Bugbear.
800 rules? That's a comprehensive suite. Does it have good community support and integrations?
Absolutely. It has first-party editor integrations for Versus Code and others, a dedicated pre-commit hook, and even a GitHub action. Plus, it's used by major open-source projects like FastAPI, Pandas, and SciPy. That speaks volumes about its reliability and adoption.
I see. So it's fast, feature-rich, and well-integrated. But what about the installation? Is it straightforward?
Super easy. You can install it via pip, or even their standalone installers for macOS, Linux, and Windows. They even provide instructions for Homebrew and Conda. It's incredibly accessible.
That's excellent news. One thing though. The claim of 10 to 100x speed improvement seems almost too good to be true. Are there any caveats or situations where it might not be that dramatic?
You're right to be skeptical. The actual speed improvement will likely vary depending on the project's size and complexity, the hardware used, and the specific linters and formatters being compared. Their benchmarks are a good starting point, but your mileage may vary. But even a modest improvement is still significant.
That's a fair point. So overall, Ruff sounds like a game changer for Python development. The speed improvements alone make it worth checking out, especially for larger projects.
Exactly. The combination of speed, features, and ease of use makes Ruff a compelling alternative to existing tools. It's definitely worth exploring if you're looking to streamline your Python workflow. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.